Today we're going to talk a little bit about a device called the kilowatt meter. And what this does is it allows you to plug in electronics or appliances in your home to understand how much energy it's using so that ultimately you can determine ways to save energy and save money in your home. There's many things in our home that we have plugged in that we don't realize are still using energy. It could be TVs, game consoles, stereo systems, laptops, other types of electronics. In this case, we're using a laptop as an example because many of us are using those as we're home working. The laptop is drawing about 3 watts of energy. Now that might not seem much, it's about half the wattage of an average LED bulb. But if you think about that times 5, 10 devices plugged in around your house, and they're normally plugged in every day, that can really add up over time. It's a great tool to understand how much energy you're using and how much money you can save, and then you can make decisions and decide what you'd like to turn off in your home to not use energy, or what you might want to replace with a more efficient appliance.